Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by anchoring the composition with a vertical guideline and a horizon. This keeps perspective consistent. Draw large, simple shapes for the central tower and two smaller side towers, because blocking volumes first makes proportions easier to adjust. Use rectangles for walls, triangles for spires, and ovals for rounded turrets. This gives you a clear structure to refine. Once done, lightly erase construction overlaps and check symmetry by folding mentally or mirroring with a quick sketch on tracing. Now you refine. Convert the block shapes into readable architectural features. Place windows and balconies along the perspective lines so they recede properly. This sells depth. Carve icicle spires and layered ice plates with varied edge weight, thicker at foreground, thinner distant, because contrast directs the eye. Add stairs and arches that overlap planes to reinforce scale. Make sure to alternate between soft shading for ice texture and crisp outlines for edges, and step back frequently to compare left and right balance. Finish by locking values. Map light sources and apply cool gradients from pale blue to bright white on facets, because ice reads as translucent with sharp highlights. Introduce reflections and small snow accents to ground the castle, and clean up lines so silhouettes read clearly against the sky. If proportions look off, flip the drawing or trace and mirror it to spot errors. If ice appears too flat, gently smudge shadows to soften transitions and re-emphasize edge highlights for a crisp, icy finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.